Los Angeles Heating and Cooling by Economy Plus Heating and Air Conditioning. Looking for professional HVAC company in Los Angeles? Need quality air conditioning and heating services in San Fernando Valley? You have come to the right place. We are your trusted HVAC contractor in Los Angeles, Northridge and San Fernando Valley. In business since 1989. Why choose us? Professional, prompt and reliable. Over 20 years of industry experience. Licensed and insured. BBB accredited business. High quality products and equipment. Reasonable and competitive rates. Flexible appointments. Contact us and we'll get your air conditioner and heater fixed right and help you get back to your comfort zone today.